Let's make a delicious nanaboat. Let's make a delicious nanaboat. Hi, my name is Nanaboat. Can you help me make a nanaboat ice cream? Yeah. Okay, let's begin. Okay, kids, first, let's pick the color for our cookie. We have 1, 2, 3 cookies. What color is this cookie? Yes, it's purple. And what color is this cookie? Blue. Perfect. And what about this cookie? What color is this cookie? Tan. Perfect. Let's choose a tan color for our cookie. Now we can pick the color for the eyes of our nanaboat. We have green, brown, and blue. What color is your favorite? I like the blue color. Perfect. Now, let's choose the ice cream we want in our nanaboat. We now can pick 2 ice cream flavors for a nanaboat. We have vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, and vanilla with sprinkles. This time we're going to choose the vanilla with sprinkles and chocolate ice cream. Wow, this is so much fun! Now all we have to do is pick a sail for our ship. Okay, we can choose from a white sail, a pirate sail, R, and an American sail. I'm going to pick the white sail. I like white sails. Okay, kids, we're all done. Now let's build our nanaboat. First, we have our tan color cookie, then the blue eyes. We have 2 scoops of ice cream and our white sail. Perfect! This is our nanaboat. Hooray! Thank you so much for helping me build my nanaboat.
I hope you enjoyed it. And if you want to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe. I'll see you soon.
Bye-bye.
The Treasure Island. The Treasure Island. Hi kids, you're just in time to join me in a new adventure through the Treasure Island. Let's see if we can bring some treasures back home. Let's go! This is our map. We will be visiting the Banana Island, the Kiwi Island, and the Strawberry Island. Then we can head back home. Are you guys ready? Okay! Woo! We arrived to our first destination, Banana Island. This is Monkey. He lives in this island. Let's ask him if he can give us a treasure to take home. Hi Monkey, I'm Nanaboat, and these are my friends. Do you have any treasure we can take home? Wow, that's a banana. It's a yellow banana. Perfect. Thank you, monkey. Now let's go to our second destination. We're here, Kiwi Island. This is an elephant. He's the head of this island. Hi, Mr. Elephant. We're looking for a treasure. Do you have any treasure that you can give us? Wow, it's a kiwi. A green kiwi. Great. Thank you, Mr. Elephant. Now, let's go to our last destination. Okay, kids, let's stop. Strawberry Island. This is Mr. Bunny. He's the head of this island. Hi, Mr. Bunny. Do you have any treasures that we can take home with us? Oh, it's so big. It's a strawberry. A red strawberry. Thank you, Mr. Bunny. We're done, kids. It's time to go home. Let's see the treasures that we have found. We've got a yellow banana, a delicious green kiwi, and a bright red strawberry. Oh, they're so delicious. What we can do with these treasures? Maybe we can do something in another video. It's getting late, so thank you so much for helping me find these treasures. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you want to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe. I'll see you soon.
Bye bye.